This is the cold start video for my 2006 Chrysler 300C. Engine temp is about 65-ish degrees. Car hasn't been driven in roughly 24 hours. Make sure there's a line on the temp gauge. And then we're gonna get an exhaust view, engine view, and we'll mix in some revs that way also. All right. Hasn't moved off the line. It's about 75 degrees out today. Approximately 2 feet from the exhaust with the camera. Go start the car. Shot of the engine cold. Hemi's nice and quiet, no ticking. Put you right on top of the engine. Let's start with some light revs from the engine. We've been running for a minute now. Get some light exhaust revs. All right, we're coming on about 3 minutes of run time. Stable idle, coming off the line nicely. Let's get some in the car revs, roll down the window a little. All right, let's get some warm engine revs. See, engine's nice and quiet when warm. Gonna get it nice and stable, and then we're gonna get some revs going. All right, we're at about 7 minutes of run time, coming off the line nice and smooth. Stay tuned for the driving video and other videos. Thank you.